Hey, good morning everybody. I'm over here at Planet Fitness, and as you can see, it's about 8:20 something. That's pretty late time for me to get started working out. Anyways, I wanted to stop by this machine and share with you this one machine. It's called the Assisted Dip Chin. It is so easy to use, and if you're trying to, get your body strength up, and you want to learn how to do like pull-ups or dips or something, and for whatever reason your strength is not able to carry you to the top of the bar, or you can't do a full range, this machine is great for you. And it can, of course, with any machine you do, any exercise routine, be sure to speak with a certified physician or professional. I'm not certified in any of that, so check with somebody first before you do any single type of workout. However, if you are ready to work out or something, this machine's super simple. On the side they got a little knob, and this isn't the same type of weight on other machines, because this isn't weight on you. This is weight that gets taken off of you, and I'll show you in a second. So if you need assistance, this is how much weight is assisting you personally. So next up, we got the front of this machine, right? You get right up on the front of this machine, they got some steps, and I would definitely get on those for safety. And then they got this little pad that you put your knees on as you're doing your chin-ups, or I call them pull-ups, or your dips. So right now I'm going to show you. I'm going to hop on here, get nice and safe, and I wouldn't recommend doing this one-handed, but I'm going to do it for the sake of this video. So you want to get your grips on here, put your knees right on here, and it's a good weight right now. So your knees are down, and all you do is you just pull. See, if I can do this one-handed with a video in my hand, that means that it's very easy to use, and you can very much know how much the resistance gets taken off you. And that was just 70. That wasn't even a full rack. So there you have it. And at the end, put your feet down and gently let that little leg rest up. And there you have it. Get started doing those chin-ups, those pull-ups, those. If you want to do dips, you got this bar on the side, and you can flip that back and forth if you want. So wish you success on your physical, mental health, and financial endeavors, and thanks for watching. Also, in order to support these videos, I do have a link to a yoga mat in the video below. So if you go ahead and click that link and you buy a yoga mat, I will get a commission off that yoga mat and do more videos. So thanks for watching. I wish you success and have a great day.